Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lecture, we're basically going to dive into the deep end and cover exactly what an algorithm is and how it works for YouTube Shorts. Now, this isn't vital information, but having this knowledge on how the Shorts algorithm works behind the scenes will help massively when growing your account. There's quite a lot in this lecture, so if you're completely new to YouTube and this doesn't yet make any sense, please feel free to do the rest of the course first and come back to this lecture after. But for those of you who are already relatively comfortable on Shorts on YouTube, here is a super useful and insightful lecture on exactly how the algorithm works and how you can use this information to boss it and make your content consistently viral. Okay then, so what is an algorithm? Well, the Cambridge Dictionary says the following. An algorithm is a set of mathematical instructions or rules that, especially if given to a computer, will help to calculate an answer to a problem. For example, music apps use algorithms to predict the probability that fans of one particular band will like another. The algorithm is basically the science behind YouTube and its content. The algorithm decides which content gets seen and by who. Every single time a person opens YouTube, the algorithm instantly combs through all available content and decides which post gets suggested on the homepage, what content is recommended to you, which content is featured in the search tabs, and which content is shown to you on the Shorts feed. To understand how the algorithm works with social media, it's really important to understand what problem the algorithm is solving and why. The biggest challenge for social media companies is to get you onto their platform, and then to keep you on their platform for as long as possible. This is so they can serve more ads to you, as 99% of revenue for social media companies comes from ads. So they have a vested interest in keeping you on their platform and engaging with as much content as possible. The way they entice you into staying on their platform is by using the algorithm to put super relevant, super targeted content right in front of your eyes. So how does the YouTube Shorts algorithm work? The algorithm is a complex system designed to serve users content based on what it thinks they will be most interested in. This determines what you see on the Shorts feed, home feed and search pages. It is important to know that your main feed, stories feed, shorts feed and discover pages will all have slightly different algorithms and different ways of recommending content. In this lecture, we will focus solely on the shorts feed algorithm. So no two YouTubers will see the same short on their feed, and the shorts you see will change over time based on your viewing preferences and even your current interests. The Shorts algorithm works differently than the algorithm for regular YouTube videos, and it considers different factors when ranking content. The Shorts feed algorithm can be split into 5 main key areas, and these are watch time, viewer engagement, relevance, video information, and audio. Okay, let's dive into each of these a little bit deeper. So then, watch time. Like with regular YouTube videos, watch time is one of the most important factors that YouTube considers when ranking shorts. Watch time refers to the amount of time users spend watching a video, and it's a good indicator of how engaging and entertaining a video is. Videos that get a high amount of watch time are more likely to be recommended to other people. This is the main signal, which is also referred to video completion rate. This is just a fancy way of saying videos you watch all the way to the end. So each time a user watches a video in full, that video will be more likely to be suggested to other users' feeds, as YouTube will assume it's quality content that people enjoy. Okay, next is viewer engagement. Viewer engagement is another crucial factor in the Shorts algorithm. Engagement refers to actions that viewers take on a video, such as likes, comments, and shares. Videos that get a high amount of engagement are seen as more valuable to viewers, and they're more likely to be recommended to others. The Shorts feed recommends content to each person based on several engagement signals that a person gives, which includes which channels you subscribe to, shorts you've liked, commented on or shared, shorts you've watched to the end or on repeat, or shorts you've marked as not interested. This is also a very important indicator. Okay, next we have relevance. So relevance is also an essential factor in the Shorts algorithm. YouTube tries to show videos that are most relevant to a user's interests and preferences. The platform uses data such as search history, watch history, and location to recommend shorts that are most relevant to a user. If a short is relevant to a user's interests, they are more likely to engage with it and watch it to completion. If users consistently report a video as spam or misleading, it may be demoted or even removed from the platform. Similarly, if users consistently engage positively with a video, it's more likely to be recommended to others. Okay, next we have video information. So the next area that the algorithm takes into account is video information. This information includes titles, tags, descriptions, hashtags and keywords within the video. So the algorithm will pick up and analyze the information within these key areas and then determine the most suitable audience to push your content to. So optimizing your tags, titles, descriptions, hashtags and keywords within the video can have a major impact on the algorithm, and it's very important to get this right. The quality of the video is another important factor in the Shorts algorithm. YouTube wants to promote videos that are well produced and visually appealing. Videos with poor lighting, shaky camera work or low quality audio are less likely to be recommended to others. Okay guys, last but not least we have audio. When you start using a trending sound or song in your video, the algorithm will use this to categorize your content and serve it to relevant audiences. Knowing how to use trending audio in your content is a great way to reach new audiences, as the algorithm will serve your video to people who have already engaged in that trend. We'll cover more of this and how you can use audio to boost your content throughout this course, but just know audio is a huge indicator on the algorithm. Okay then, so there is good news for all new YouTubers, or those of you who haven't yet built up a large follower base. The Shorts feed does not base recommendations of content on your follower count or on the history of previously high-performing videos. This means those of you with smaller accounts will still get the same level of opportunity for growth in each video as bigger accounts. So if you create great content that resonates directly to your target audience, it doesn't matter about the size of your following. You have as good of a chance to land on people's feeds as anyone. Okay then guys, I hope this lecture has been somewhat insightful. Please feel free to revisit this lecture if you didn't manage to take it all in the first time. I know it's a lot to take in, but it is super useful information that could really benefit your Shorts journey. Okay guys, thank you very much for listening and I will see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.